Affiliate marketing has been a hot topic, and rightfully so, as it takes a fair amount of time and effort, but it can be ultimately rewarding endeavor for you, and is not a hard skill to learn. Also, affiliate marketing can effectively establish your online presence, drive engagement, and increase revenue. You don't have to start your own business, and you don't need to own a product to earn a good amount through affiliate marketing. You just have to sell already available products online to make your affiliate commission. There are several ways to do affiliate marketing and multiple platforms that provide you with an affiliate commission. I'm going to tell you the best platforms and show you practically how you can make at least $200 a day with affiliate marketing. This is going to be an easy step-by-step guide. It doesn't matter if you're already an expert or just starting out your career in the affiliate world. Just stick to this video and watch till the end, because I'm going to teach you how you can leverage affiliate marketing for success if you're a beginner. Is it a viable income stream in 2023? Where should you start, and what are the best methods to do affiliate marketing? And at the end of the video, I will share 2 genius ways that will up your game in marketing and will definitely increase your affiliate earnings. But before you dive into affiliate marketing and expect to earn thousands of dollars immediately, remember that results take time. Before we start, ensure you've liked the video and subscribe to my channel for amazing upcoming content. Step 1. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing is a competitive industry, so you should start with a niche with low to medium competition and is not oversaturated. Step 1 is that you need a platform to establish your online presence on the internet. Set up a blog or a YouTube channel to showcase your talent in your niche. For creating a blog, you need a domain and hosting. Before you design your blog, you need to choose a domain name, because a domain name is what users type into the address bar to get to your website. Choose a simple and easy one. You can buy your domain and hosting from GoDaddy.com. Once you've got your domain name and hosting, you need a platform to start with. Among all the blogging platforms like bloggers from Google and several others, a WordPress blog is a good option, as it's the most popular blogging platform in the world and comes with more options. Install WordPress to your domain name, choose any easy starter template, or you can use Website Auto Builder from GoDaddy.com. Furthermore, you can design your blog according to your interests and start writing. And if you want to go with YouTube, open youtube.com and sign into your Google account and make a YouTube channel. Click your user icon in the upper right hand corner and you'll see a drop down menu where you'll click settings. You'll see your account overview there. Create a new channel under your channel. Put your channel name. You might be asked to verify the account via text message or voice call. In that case, enter the code you received from the option you chose. Once your account is verified, you'll be taken to the dashboard for your channel. Now, you can start customizing and adding content to it. Once you've selected the platform, you must decide how to promote the products. You can do product reviews, videos, or blog posts, but don't let these limit your reach. You can also promote affiliate products through courses or workshops. Step 2 is to create quality content and get traffic. Content is king, so make sure to produce high quality and value-adding content that answers the questions people are searching for. If you've created a blog, you have to write blog posts that are SEO optimized, and you can put your affiliate links in there. Create multiple blog posts and keep posting them following a schedule, and your blog will eventually get noticed by people. Add the appropriate number of links to your content article and add a solid call to action like check out the link below, for example. And if you're doing affiliate marketing through a YouTube channel, you can make affiliate product videos and product reviews that will excite people to buy that product, and you can post your affiliate product links in the description of your videos or can pin them in the comments. Your affiliate content should guide your audience and help them make a decision while being compelled enough to convert visitors into buyers. This will help to get traffic to your website or channel, and traffic is the actual thing that will generate sales. Step 3 is to sign up for affiliate programs. Your next step will be signing up for affiliate programs. There are multiple affiliate programs like Amazon, clickbank, and HubSpot, but we will be sticking to the best one with the highest commission rates, and that is clickbank. Clickbank is the easiest to use and pays the highest commission rates. This platform pays up to $240 for each sale, one of the highest commission rates in the industry. This website receives 600 million visitors every month. Started in 1998, they have paid over $5 billion to sellers and marketers, and their reach is to millions of customers all over the world. So first things first, we need to create a ClickBank account. It's pretty easy. Put your email and choose a strong password. Put your banking details as well to receive payments. After having your account created, you have to find some good products with the highest commissions. Click on Marketplace, and this is where you're going to find the products that you're going to be promoting. You can choose any niche, but the most profitable ones are going to be likely with making money, which is going to be software products, business, or health and fitness. So click on your new section and sort the products by rank or gravity. New users choose products having gravity score from 10 to 50 or 60 and no high initial conversions. Or you can take help from cbenzine.com and can choose products that are recommended by experienced professionals. And this website has a lot of search filters that will help you with the tough task of choosing a product. Once you have selected a product, click on Promotion and copy your affiliate link. This is the affiliate link you'll be sending traffic to. You can shorten this link by using bit.ly.com or cut.ly to post it on your blog or on your YouTube channel or any other platform. Now, here comes the genius marketing tactic to get traffic to your link without having a blog or YouTube channel. One method is free marketing and another is paid marketing. You just have to find where your audience is and how to approach them. In free marketing, free or organic traffic sources, including putting the link in a YouTube video description and promoting it on QA sites like Quora.com, in Telegram or WhatsApp groups. You can share your links on Facebook pages, groups, and Instagram as well. An affiliate link posted on a high traffic blog or group could generate hundreds of dollars in commission. Another free method is you can promote your product through email marketing. Soon, you realize how important it is to build an audience in your email list. Things will start getting better for you. The second marketing method is paid marketing. Paid marketing is more stable, consistent, and targeted. You get to define your audience, boost your clicks, more conversions, and faster sales. Some great sources that experts use for paid affiliate marketing are running targeted ads and call to action ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest ads. I'll suggest you start with Facebook ads, as this platform is the cheapest and provides the highest clicks on your ads. And let me give you some expert advice. The more relevant and targeted the traffic is, the higher your sales will be. If you've generated an affiliate link to some men's products like beard growth oil, and you're promoting your link by targeting both genders, it will deprive you of roughly 50% sales. So be smart while promoting your affiliate link. If you couldn't understand any concept, you can ask in the comments section. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the fantastic financial content. Until next time.